Hi, I'm Lucas.
Hi, I'm Ruby.
And we're Lucas and Friends.
Hello, smart kids. Welcome to the Smart Sprouts channel. Get your notebooks and pens ready and sit down in front of the screen. Today we will learn the numbers 8, 9, and 10 with you. Are you ready? Where did we start?
Make a number.
17.
3.
9.
4.
1.
7.
9.
1. 7. 7.
1. 9.
Wow.
18.
8.
4.
6.
Wow.
7.
4.
I believe in you.
9. 8. 1. 20.
You can do it.
7. 9. 4.
I believe in you. Let's make a number.
8. 8. 9. 4.
I believe in you.
4. 7.
Wow.
14. 7. 7. 7. 9.
You can do it.
4. 5. 5. 20. 9. 8. 7. 4.
Done.
8. 1.
You can
8.
do it.
4.
You can do it.
Wow. 8. 8.
Wow. Let's make a number.
12. 8. 4.
You can do it.
9.
You can do it.
9. 1.
You can do it.
Wow. 12. 5. 4. 3.
Job.
3. 6.
I believe in you.
9. 2.
You
16.
can do it.
4. 5. 7.
You can do it.
9. 7. 8. 7. 5.
Let's make a number.
9. 5. 4. 7. 6. 2.
You can do it.
8. 9.
I believe in you.
Wow. 11. 7. 4.
Done.
8. 8. 4.
You can do it.
8.
I believe in you. 8. 1. 5. 7. 5.